10 cool fun facts about animals. Children, let's read. Did you hear that dolphins are excellent swimmers and love to play in the waves? Did you know that bees make honey from flower nectar? Did you learn that a group of butterflies is called a flutter? Did you notice that chameleons can change color to blend in with their surroundings? Did you find out that the cheetah is the fastest land animal, reaching speeds of up to 70 miles per hour? Did you realize that a group of penguins is called a waddle? Did you discover that the blue whale is the largest animal on Earth, even bigger than dinosaurs? Did you ever wonder why flamingos stand on one leg? It's their way of conserving energy. Great work, children!